parent American company has got some issues with the US FDA. Those should be cleared by end of October. Novavax is a very good product. Unless we get a license to launch it, we cannot launch it, and the parent American company has got some issues with the US FDA. Those should be cleared by end of October, and then once they get a license, we'll get a license. There is some effort to try and get a license before the parent company, but it's an uphill task. Probably members of this audience may not know that 50 years ago, the hardships that industry had to face with the availability of power, water, permission from bureaucrats, harassment from bureaucrats, which I was told not to say, transport and communications were also a great problem and challenges that were faced by my staff, employees, and my fellow directors. It was a long journey and a very painful one, I must say, which has now become very rewarding. And Mr. Mundra, who is in the audience, had to go and fall at the feet of bureaucrats and drug controller, etc., to grant permissions. I must stress that my staff, difficulties, that red tape now are much reduced under the Modi government. Definitely. I am not one of those to give lip sympathy to government ministers and officials, but certainly one of the major reasons why we could launch our vaccine for COVID so quickly was because of the forthcoming grant of permissions, encouragement to industries, and licensing. Raj has been considerably reduced. We have got a drug controller who responds that in the evening after office hours, instead of being given muska polish.